Meaning of Down syndrome.
Down syndrome.
Down syndrome.
Down syndrome.
Down syndrome. Down syndrome, also known as trisomy 21, is a genetic condition caused by the presence of an extra chromosome 21. This extra genetic material affects development and causes physical and intellectual disabilities. Some common physical characteristics of Down syndrome include almond-shaped eyes, a small head and ears, a flat facial profile, and a shorter stature. People with Down syndrome may also experience developmental delays, learning difficulties, and medical issues such as heart defects and respiratory infections. However, with early intervention and support, individuals with Down syndrome can lead fulfilling lives and achieve their full potential.